Today we're going to do a review of the DWX 723 Dewalt Miter stand. This is our second. It's been a fantastic setup, but it's time for another one. So we'll go along today and get it set up and show you some of the pros and cons. I've had that other stand for 10 years, and I don't know that we've necessarily ridden it hard, but we have used the heck out of it, and it's been fantastic. I would say DeWalt is somewhere mid-grade. If I had my druthers and I won the lottery, I would probably go Makita, or Milwaukee. Milwaukee's got some fantastic stuff, but bang for the buck, and being on the job site, DeWalt is a fantastic tool. We've also got the DWS 780 compound miter saw, and we're going to take a look at it as well. This saw that we're putting on the stand is the compound miter. We needed it for cutting larger floor joists and bigger timbers. We've got our Dewalt tape measure. So this thing will cut a full 12 inches, maybe a little bit more. It'll go clear out to 14. Not bad at all. You can see on our old miter saw that we didn't have quite the cut depth. We could only get out about 7 3/4 of an inch. So we've picked up almost double the cut length with the new saw. And the miter stand, one of the things I've noticed right away is on the old one, you had to just push button and in order to fold up the legs. And here on the new ones, it's got a fantastic lever that makes things really quick and easy. The new lever systems make it really easy to lock it up. Make adjustments, move things around. The setup on these is really quick, really easy, simple set of tools. What do we got? 13 millimeter. If we could have found the half inch, it would go even better. For those of us that are using this equipment all day, every day, and making our living with it, DeWalt really does make some fantastic things, and the price point is awesome. The other thing is finding parts and pieces, whether it's drill batteries or saw blades, they're easy to get a hold of. One of the really nice features about this saw is that you can cut all the way to 60 degrees, which gives you a lot of options for trim work. This saw is going to make us a lot of production, speed things up, and get a lot of work done as we're building cabins. We're not even maxing out the slide. And that's a full 12 inches. The best part of this saw is we went from opening the box to cutting boards in 5 minutes. We didn't have to waste a lot of time on setup. That saw has made some really nice, smooth, straight cuts. Could not be happier with this saw. So far, so good. Dewalt once again brings it home for the win. I think this will be an excellent tool to add to our collection, and we'll see years and years of solid service from this saw.